I'm surprising my family members. Whoa. Hi guys, and welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Tara Fraser, and if you're here for the first time, you're welcome. Come in. And please do not forget to subscribe on your way out, or right now just hit that subscribe button. Help a sister. So I am whispering today because, like the title, I'm surprising my family members. So I decided to film this video because I'm like the worst YouTuber ever. I need to put out content. Mario, if you're seeing this. Anyways, so in this video, forget how I'm looking right now. It's about 8 p.m. rather, at night, and I'm in my room right now, and I'm about to wrap the gifts for my. Okay, I have a big family, and I have like 1/4 of them with me now here for Christmas. By the way, it's Christmas Eve, 24th of December 2019. So none of them know that I have gifts for them. So my auntie and my mom, so none of them know that I have gifts for them, and I am very excited. Well, I have a gift for myself too that I have seen, but I will still wrap it. Is it your gift? So the plan is to wrap the gift and put it under the tree tomorrow morning. So when they wake up in the morning, they'll see wrapped gifts under the Christmas tree. Right now there are no gifts under the Christmas tree, so that's the plan. So I tried to buy boxes. I couldn't get boxes, and the ones I saw, they were telling me 10k for one box, and I'm like, and that box it could not even fit into the gift, so I needed to buy a bigger size. So you can imagine, and I'm like, how much is my gift that I'll now pay 10k for a box to wrap a gift? So I said, nah fam, I looked for cheaper ones, please, nobody come for me. I didn't find. So I'm like, you know what, I'm just gonna get used cartons. Let me give you an example. So that's a used Milo carton. So I bought wrapping sheets. I'm going to wrap the carton and put the gift inside. So that'll be my box for now. DIY. I'm gonna DIY that shit. You got me. So too much call for me, please. The gift is the cocoa. I cannot spend 10k on box. Only box. No way, fam. I'm not gonna do that. So I'm going to wrap all the gifts now. So I want you guys to enjoy the process with me. So keep watching. Do not forget to subscribe. I love you all. See ya. Guys, I just realized that I didn't buy sellotape. How can I not buy sellotape? So I'm going to like ask my sister if she has what's it called? I'm going to ask my sister if she has sellotape or glue, and let's see if she does. I'm coming, guys. Sellotape. So she has sellotape. I'm sorry that I'm bendy because I tilted my ring light, so I have to bend, and then my phone is here. Anyways, so I have sellotape, and I'm scared of wrapping these boxes now because everybody's awake. Anybody can just walk into my room, and I don't want that to happen. But anyways, we move. If anybody asks me anything, I'll be like, oh, it's my gift. It's just my gift. I wrap it. We all know that that's a lie, fam. Anyways, bye. Back to wrapping. I can't remember the last time I used. I also bought ribbons. These ones that you like pull and then they make a bow. So I'm going to sellotape it on the box. Anyways, I got ribbons. I got 4 different types. This is my favorite. And I'm going to use that for my. See my wrapping papers. I got this one, and I got this one, and I got this one. I got 3 instead of 4 because I had already wrapped Anna's gift, but now there's a problem because I would legit need more wrapping paper because this is a very big box. I don't know how much of it I can use, and then I forgot I was going to put Anna's gift in a box, but maybe I'll just like leave it like that because hers is a book, is a series, so they're like about 2 episodes of the book. She hasn't read those 2, but she has read the other books, so I just got those ones so she could read and finish the series. She loves reading books, but I don't know. Anyways, let's see how it goes. You guys, just let's wrap this thing. I've said this like 1 million times. I'm scared. I don't know how to wrap boxes, but we're gonna wing it. This is a fail. My sister keeps coming into my room, so I'm just going to pack this all up, and then I need more wrapping sheet, so I'm going to go to the supermarket, buy wrapping sheet, and then I'll do this like 2 a.m. or something like that. Peace. Hello people, I'm out now. I'm going to buy wrapping sheet. Ignore my hair and the scarf. I'm trying to lay my edges. They're finna be snatched. Anyways, I'm going to buy wrapping sheet and something else. But yeah, I am super duper excited. I'm so excited. I can't wait to see their expressions because nobody expects me to buy any gifts. Let's do this. Bye guys. Guys, I want the paper wrapping sheet, but it's only these types they have. But I like this one. It's not so bad. So I think I'm going to get it. I don't like not really. This video, they don't have Merry Christmas. Oh wow. I think I'll just get this one. Do you guys like this? I don't. See wrapping sheets here. So guys, I've started wrapping. So I made a mistake. So I got these ones. It says happy birthday, and I don't like the happy birthday nonsense. So I'm going to use the back. If I don't like it, I'll use the front. wrapping the gifts. Wow. So I wrote notes. I wrote some notes for my family members, and I'm just going to sellotape them on each gift. Yes, so let's do So guys, I'm done. Anna is in the kitchen. My mom is in the living room. My auntie is in her room, so she's not gonna see this. I hope you people can hear me. But my mom is in the living room, and I can't go and drop the gift when they are awake, so I don't even know where to put the gift. Let me show you guys. So guys, my mom is still in the living room. She's staying out there, and my sister is in the kitchen, and I have to walk past all those places to get to the living room. So I'm hiding the gifts in my wardrobe. I'm gonna hide them. I just throw my clothes down. You don't want to know what my clothes look like. These are just the clothes hanging. The clothes that were folded here, I throw them down. So look at. Yeah, those are the gifts now, and I'm going to close this wardrobe and then let my sister in, because she'll be asking to come into the room. So I'll let her in and maybe go out and check if my mom's still there. I don't even know. These people should go and sleep. By the way, Merry Christmas. It's 25th of December 2019, and it's about 12:30 a.m. So hey guys, so this is exactly 1:30 a.m. I just had a bath. I haven't put the gifts yet under the tree because Anna is still awake, so we have to wait till she goes to bed. She's taking a bath now. Yeah, I know, by 1 a.m. Anyways, she's taking a bath now, and then I told her when she's done, I'm switching off the lights in the house. That's just a scam, so I can just quickly put the gifts under the tree, and then afterwards I'll go to bed because I am tired. Okay guys, the coast is clear now. I'm going to drop the gift. Okay guys, it's about 2:30 now, and I just finished putting the gifts and making my videos and whatnot. I'll see you guys later on today. Merry Christmas once more. Bye. Merry Christmas. So it's not the smallest. It is. Mine is the smallest. Where is your?
No, it's because
this is more than 30 minutes.
It's on the 25th of December. It's the time there used to be a matin. If you not rock past me, your leg will be wide, your hand will be wide. Father Christmas is always around. So that's why we say Merry Christmas.